Today we're preparing a huge, high-protein bowl that truly brings benefits to everyone. This is all about fueling your body with the good stuff, clean, satisfying, and incredibly nourishing. Trust me, your body is going to thank you for this one.